Guess what time it is? I'm on my way home from work early because it's summer hours. Yay. So it's 11:30, you guys, and it's really overcast. The humidity's climbing. There's a chance for thunderstorms, which is giving me mixed feelings because I have to be up early to head into work tomorrow for a couple of hours. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to go out and chase tonight. We'll see. I guess it depends. You know what? If the weather is going to cooperate and give me some lightning opportunities, then work be damned. I'm going out. I'll have to suffer, right? Suffer for your art. But my wife and kids are headed up to the camper today. Actually, they might be on the road right now. I'm not sure if they'll be home when I get home or not. It was my kids' last day of school today. They had half days. So my wife was picking them up and heading up to the camper without me. It's not fair, but I've got something to make up for it. I'll have a FedEx package getting dropped off probably within the next 2 hours. My FedEx person is always at my house probably around 12:30 to 1 o'clock. So it's coming. It's coming. I don't know what it is. Can't wait. And I'm going to again vlog it. Man, I hope it's exciting. I'm excited, you know. I guess how could you not be excited to get a package in the mail? You know what I mean? Oh, look at that. Somebody's going camping this weekend. A couple of families, it looks like. Let's follow them. All right, anyways. So yeah, so I've got that to look forward to, even though I won't be spending time with my family until tomorrow, sadly. Yeah, I'm gonna turn off the camera here, do my drive home, get some lunch. I'm gonna stop at the little taco stand. This Mexican family brings this taco cart into town, and they make the best food. Oh my gosh, it is so good. All right, I'm all wound up. I need to settle down, focus on my drive, listen to some radio, I suppose. I'll see you guys in a bit with a box in my hands. And here I am, sitting and waiting. My wife and youngest are up at the camper. My oldest decided to stay home and head up to the camper tomorrow with me. So what am I doing? I'm waiting for that white truck. I'm waiting for that white truck. Alright. Let's go do this. Cold? No. Let's see what it could be. I love that truck. How's it going?
Hold on, man.
Not a whole lot. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, man.
Ooh. Whoa. That was interesting. So here we go. Just like last time, I will get out the Kershaw and we'll do a little unboxing. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh. Yeah. How pretty is that? Gorgeous. Size appropriate box. Alright. Close that box up. So let's do an unboxing of a Pen F. I've never done an unboxing of a Pen F because the Pen F that I'm shooting with is a pre-production sample of the Pen F. And the other Pen F that I've had experience with, the one that Mike Baining's shooting with, is a also a pre-production Pin F. So I've never actually gone through the unboxing process with this box, or with this camera. So, first of all, that's gorgeous. I love that Olympus is paying so much attention to packaging now. I think they understand that that is some of the excitement of getting a new product, is opening the new product. I'm looking at something custom for this camera with that F. I'm not saying what it is yet. I still have to source it out to a couple of different places first. So, the package, very similar to the other cameras, you know, the OMD line, as far as the layout of the box is concerned. This would be software and manual. And right here, the little holder or pouch for your flash. The accessory flash. And if I can get her open here, let me just do it this way. We know what that is. And let's see, we'll get into here. In this compartment, we have the charger, the cord for the charger, battery, USB cable, anything in that little square right there, placeholder, down here, no easy way to get at that, but that is the strap. And to be honest with you, that strap will not go on my camera. I'm going to put some leather on mine. That's the contents of the box. So, don't need the software. I can go back in there. Close this all up. Yes. Been waiting for this. Turn it around, you guys get first look. The big reveal. Hold on, I'm upside down. There we go. Ready? It's like a strip tease. How hot is that? Wow. Man, she is gorgeous in silver. Holy cow. Alright, so I'm gonna go dress her up with some leather. Why, I'm making this sound so like sexual, and it shouldn't be. So, anyways, I'm gonna go put a leather strap on it and throw the 17 on her and take her out for a maiden voyage, walk around Eaton Rapids here and do a little street shooting with it. I will see you guys later. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching the unboxing today. I know you've probably seen a million unboxing videos of the Pin F, but I still had to do it anyways. Talk to you guys later.